all my cars, I make sure I purchase these WeatherTech visors that go in the channel and not the ones that go on the outside trim. I love these things, man. Love them. Had them on my Scat Pack. Just got them in for this. They look factory too. And then when it rains, you can still get a little air without turning your AC on. And I just like how it makes it look overall too. It look a little better when I roll down the windows. But yeah, you should think about that purchase. Won't have to always turn on your air. You got those. And I like it. It make it look more aggressive to me. I don't know why, but it just do. One day I'm gonna make a video with them down. I just put them on. They gotta stay up for 12 hours to, I guess, like cure kind of. But I'm gonna make a video of that too. Still waiting on my hard tags, man. As I started to do more stuff though, more videos. I got the catch can coming for this too. Catch can. I ain't gonna do no decals on here for real, but one. This window, then the window on the other side. I also got some baggies that go right there. I got several colors, 345 Hemi in the red with the chrome and black Hemi. Then I got the chrome and black 345. I was kind of trying to go with this thing right here, black and chrome. So I got the regular one, red Hemi. I mean the red 345 with the black and chrome Hemi like this. Then I got the 345 Hemi. I mean the 345 and the Hemi in this color. And I also got the 2015 Plus 300. It's a little wider, looks more bold, looks a little better. Yeah, miles on this, 2 come. I just got it. I still got paper tags. The only thing I did was the resonator delete and put those WeatherTech visors on. So with this one, compared to the Scat, it'll be a lot more videos where you can see before and after. All right, that's a wrap.